Oh, finally, the huts are done. Oh, yes, now we're finished with that. I can have 40 winks and a nap. Okay, well, this would be better if I had some friends. Let's see who else gets these huts. Because I'm 4, so I start the friendly 4s as my hut. And if that's it, then 10 4s. Oh yeah, 40. Then I get this hut. Sis, 10 4s or 40. It's time to actually go take that nap. 40 winks. Alrighty, now let's see who else gets these huts. A 4 and a 4 equals 12. Oh, so this should be so this should be my hut. Oh, we got stuff. Oh, perfect. And if I'm here, then that means that 2 12s. 2 12s equal 24. I'm 24 and I am 4 4s. So that means that the 4th hut should be mine. Da, 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 da. Bup. Oh, this hut is for me. So we have 4, 12, a gap, and 24. Oh. So I wonder who my neighbor is. Let's find out, because if we subtract the 4, 20. 20. Let me get 20. So that means that you get this hut this hut in between. 20. A hut all to me. 4, 12, 20, 24. Now, who would come next? We could always add a 4. Alright, so 4, 4, 12. So, if we add 2 more 4s, then we should get 32. So this would be my hut. Ta-da! Yeah. Well, it seems like we have all the huts. How many? Wait. I was just figuring out everyone's hut. Figuring out where everyone's hut is. 4, 12, 20, 24, 32, 40. Hooray! Now, who's down for a sandcastle competition? Ooh, me!